Yes, today first day. Today first day. Yes, today's agenda. Yes, today first day. So what is today's agenda? Let's see. Yes, first one. Yes, about me. First one, introduction about me. Second one, about course. About course. Next, about course contents. Course contents. These things we'll discuss. Okay. Yes, many are having some doubts. What are the course contents? What are the contents are covering? What are the things? Maybe some doubts. Yes, we'll see one by one. Yes, first of all about me. Yes, yes, still many guys are offline. Yes, everyone is online only. Almost everyone is online. Except only one guy. Yes. Here, this is Nageshwar Rao. Nageshwar Rao. This is Nageshwar Rao, well-known trainer Java. Yes, more famous, well-known trainer for Java, leading trainer in the markets. I'm the leader Java training, no doubt. Yes, having 3 years of experience in software field. Having 20 years. One second, let me mute everyone. So getting some noise. Yes, this is Nageshwar Rao, having 23 years of experience. My most of the experience on Java. Next, yes, big data, Hadoop. Next, Spark. Next, Linux also. Linux is a part of our next Python. So it has a part of big data Hadoop projects, yes, and Spark projects, yes, working on Linux base and Python also. Yes, Java is my mainstream. Okay. Yes. So most of my experience, complete experience this area. This area. Next, here till now, 18 projects completed. 18 projects completed. Till now, 18 projects completed. 18 projects completed. 18 projects completed. Out of 18 projects, 1 second. At the beginning, I worked on embedded C also. I have the embedded C experience. At the beginning, well, that is embedded C. At the beginning, I worked embedded C. Yes, 2 projects on embedded C. 2 projects on embedded C. 2 projects on embedded C. Next, yes, 12 projects. 12 projects on Java. 12 projects on Java. Next, 4 projects on big data. Big data and Hadoop. Hadoop, Spark. Yes, Spark and Hadoop related frameworks for big data. So 18 projects. Yes, presently, yes, I'm working for my payroll company. Presently, my payroll company. Yes, payroll company. My payroll company. Yes, Silotech Private Limited, Hyderabad. Silotech Private Limited, Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Yes, let me show my company, also working company. So this is my company. So this is my working company. So this is my working company here. It's a payroll company. It's a payroll company. This is payroll company. Clients, and come to clients here. Clients, Big Data Hadoop, Diebold is a client for these projects here. Yes, Diebold is a client. Presently working for two clients. Diebold, US based company. Diebold, yes, US based company. Diebold North Canton. Yes, Diebold North Canton. Yes, I was there in US for 2 years. Okay, North Canton. Diebold client. Big data projects. Next, Java projects. Java projects. PayPal. Yes, well known for you. So need not tell about it. PayPal company. Yes, presently my role in the projects. My role, solution architect. Solution architect. Solution architect is my role. Yes, my role in the project solution architect. Okay. So this is about myself. About my introduction, all this. Yes, Nageshwara, having 23 years of experience. Yes, most of the experience this area. Java, Big Data, Hadoop, and all this. Okay. Java, almost since 20 years, more than 20 years, I'm traveling Java. It has become like a part of my life. Java has become part of my life, like a life partner. It has become like a life partner. So every day working on Java. Okay. Yes, even life partner also may not be spending that much of time. I'm spending more time with Java. It has become part of my life, almost more than 20 years. Okay. So this is about myself. So about my experience on all this. Lot of experience. Okay. Lot of experience. Any kind of issues I can solve. Yes. In Hadoop and Big Data area, Java area, and this area, any kind of issues. I have that much of experience. My experience is more than the industry. In industry, nobody having that much of experience. I have that much. More than the industry. Some cases, Google also may not be giving solution. I can give such kind of solutions. I have that much of experience. But even Google also may not be giving that much of solutions here. I can give that kind of solutions. I have that much of experience in Java. Okay. So this is about me. Next, let us come to course. About course. Yes, about your course. Yes, about course. About course. Yes, your course is, yes, it's a course Java, right? Course Java. Course is a Java SE, Java Foundation. Course. Okay, course Java. It's a course Java. Next, course duration. Course duration 70 days. Sorry, 75 days. Exactly 75 days. Yes, even one day also not exceeding. Yes, many of the trainers will drag the course. Dragging is not like that. Exactly 75 days finishing. Sharply 75 days. Let me show. Recently complete batch. Java recently completed batch. Not this one. So recordings this batch. 21st April started. 21st April started. 7th July finished. 21st April started. 21st April started. 21st April started. 7th July. From exactly 75 days taken here. Exactly 75 days. Exact 65 classes. 65 sessions, 75 days means 10 Sundays. 75 days means 10 weeks, right? 11 weeks. So 10 holidays given. Say towards our final session. 75 days exactly. At any cost finishing 75 days. Okay. Yes, here no holidays are very rare case. Only Sunday holiday. Except Sunday, no holidays. Okay. Next time 7:30 to 9 p.m. 7:30 to 9 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. 1.5 hour class. Very cool and slowly expanding here. Like a spoon feeding. My classes looks like a spoon feeding. Everyone can understand here. Everyone can understand. Time 7:30 to 9 p.m. IST. Okay. Next Monday to Saturday classes. Monday to Saturday classes. Monday to Saturday classes. Okay, Monday to Saturday, exactly 75 days finishing your course. Okay, next one more thing here. Here 3 demo classes you can attend, no issue. 3 demo classes you can attend. Means up to Thursday, no issue. Today, first day. So tomorrow, next day, 3 demo classes you can attend. 3 or 4, no problem. Okay. Yes. 3 demo class. Yes, 3 to 4 class. See up to Thursday, then decide it. You see that way of teaching. Yes, no doubt. Way of teaching is 100% perfect. Okay. Yes, easy to catch. My way of teaching is reaching to student very easily here. Reaching the student. See, how much skills, how much experience is not important. How much having experience is not important. How much delivered and how much reaching to student is important here. I can deliver a lot of things, but student have to reach. That has to reach the student. Okay. So the way of teaching, almost reaching to every student. Almost reaching to every student. Okay. So 3 demo classes you can see here. Okay. Next, what is services provided here? So recordings. Yes, recordings. Yes, daily recordings sharing. After finishing class, daily recordings will be shared to your Gmail ID. Will be shared to your Gmail ID. Just Gmail ID. Just within 1 hour of finishing class. Within 1 hour. 1 hour of finishing class. Within 1 hour of finishing class. 1 hour of finishing class. Within 1 hour only here. Means by 10 p.m. you can watch it. By 10 p.m. Daily recordings will be shared to your Gmail ID. Daily recordings. Now session is recording. Now recording is going on. Recording is going on. So within 1 hour of finishing class, you can watch it. Okay. Yes, it can be watched. See, it can be watched. Yes, it can be watched any number of times. No limits. Any number of times. It can be watched for any number of times. It can be watched for any number of times. No limits. No limit here. Okay. Yes. Next, one more thing here. Some cases, maybe rare scenario. Yes. With some reasons. Yes, some reasons. Unable to attend classes. Some reasons. Unable to attend classes. One second. Yes, some reasons unable to attend classes. Yes, reasons generally here. Suppose working days, maybe chance of changing time. Working hours changing sometimes. Maybe college students, maybe suddenly exams. In that case, you don't worry here. Unable to attend classes. Yes, you can continue for next batch. You can continue. Yes, you can continue. Continue for next batch. No problem. Yes, you can attend next batch. No issue. Okay, I'm not a commercial. You can continue for next batch also here. Next batch also you can attend. Okay. So these things. So here services recordings. Yes, recording sharing plus software, Java software sharing. Java software. Next class material. Class document material also sharing here. Class material. See recordings, daily recordings, sharing to Google Drive. Sharing to the Google Drive. So for every batch, Google Drive will be there. For the Google Drive, I'll be sharing. Now present batch. Yes. Morning 7 o'clock batch. Taking 7 o'clock batch. Here, this is the Google Drive. Yes, 7 AM batch. Yes, 1st August morning. So today video not uploaded, not yet uploaded. Yes. So you have session for 7 AM batch is going on here. That batch. Yes, like this in Google Drive. Through the Google Drive, I'll share it. Yes, I'll share the Gmail ID through the Google Drive. Yes, 7 AM batch through the Google Drive, I'll share it through the Google Drive. So recording softwares like Java software, JDK software, Eclipse and all this. Next material, class document. See, this is class document. Class document. This is class document. Here, this is around, yes, 500 page document, more than 500 page document here. 530 page, 529 page document this is. Yes, including interview questions and all this. Many things are there. So this is your class document. See, running notes is not necessary. Yes, here my class's advantage is running notes is not necessary. Just you watch the class. Try to understand classes very clearly. Running notes is not necessary. I have prepared everything prepared here. Simply, yes, I'll be explaining notepad here. So what are the topics explain notepad? Yes, notepad sometimes using word also. Sometimes notepad, sometimes word. So what are the topics explaining here? Everything is there in documents. I have prepared very clearly. Even single word is not missing. Even single word is not missing. Everything is there in documents here. Very clearly it's there in documents here. So you guys not required write in your notes. Running notes is not necessary. So this is about your course. Next course contents. Yes, about course, about me, about course contents. Before course going to course contents, prerequisites. Prerequisites, maybe this is doubt somebody. Prerequisites to learn Java. To learn Java. Yes, prerequisites to learn Java. Just C language basics. Little bit I'm expecting C language basics. C language basics. C language basics required. Just basics. Basics like data types. Data types. Okay, next operators. Operators. And control statements. Control statements. Control statements. Okay, if you have this well and good, even don't have this, no worry. Suppose C language basics, you have these C language basics, then okay, fine. Even don't have this knowledge, don't worry. In Java also, I'll explain about data types, operators, and control statements. Java also, and in Java also, I'll explain very clearly. With the C language concepts, I'll explain Java also. Don't worry, guys. Even don't have any knowledge, even don't have any knowledge here, don't worry. I'll explain from the beginning. From the beginning. Okay. See, non-IT. Yes, non-IT background guys also can understand. Yes, non-IT background guys also can understand. Can understand. Yes, non-IT background guys also can understand. Okay. So we'll be starting from basics here. Starting from basics. Starting from basics. So finally, yes, taking to high end. Taking to high end. Yes, 75 days and taking to high end. See, by the time of finishing course, yes, you can put up. See here. So you'll be starting from basics, finally taking to high end here. 75 days. Yes, by the time of finishing course, yes, you can put up minimum 3 to 4 years of experience. Yes, 3 to 4 years. That level I'll explain. Topics. All the real-time scenarios. First explaining technology and coding skills. After getting all that skills, next moving to real-time scenarios. Okay. Many programs will be going to discuss. You guys don't worry. Logical thinking. Just improving logical thinking. Okay. How to improve our logics, programming skills. Lot of programming. Many programs will be discussing. So around 300 programs will be discussing. 300 programs I'll explain. Around 300 programs will explain here. Okay, many programs. Yes, yes, very big programs sometimes. Logical thinking, improving logical thinking here. Yes, programming skills. See, writing programming is different. Yes, skilled programming is different here. In programming also, somebody will write simple programming. Simple programming is different here. Skilled programming is different here. Programming skills are very, very important. I'll make it to improve your programming skills. Lot of skills getting here. I'm sure 100%. Okay. Yes. So non-IT background guys also can understand it. Don't worry, guys. Okay. So this is prerequisite. Nothing required. Even don't have any knowledge in software field. Like just only Windows knowledge. What is Windows OS? Just Windows OS knowledge enough here. Enough with that you can start with Java. Okay. Yes. Next course contents. Let us come to course contents. Yes. What actually course contents. Course contents. Let us see. Course contents. Course contents. So what are the course contents? One second. See exactly what is Java. Java contains what? In total contents, what is our topic? Java is somewhat version. It's very big topic, Java. Yes, minimum 6 months required to finish complete Java, including frameworks and all this. Okay. Yes, what are the course contents? See here, Java. So JDK. Yes, JDK, Java software, JDK, Java development kits. Java development kits. Java development kits, JDK software. Java software called JDK, Java development kits. See Java development kits. So this is divided into four editions. Divided into four editions. Yes, all the editions not required for us. Java divided into four editions. So first one here. First one, Java SE. Yes, calling us JTSE. JTSE. Yes, this is our topic. JTSE, our topic. The Java standards. Java standards. Java standard edition. Java standard edition. Java standard edition. SE, this is our topic. Our syllabus is SE syllabus. Java standard edition. Next, SJW. Yes, J2W. So this is Java Enterprise edition here. Java Enterprise. Java Enterprise. Enterprise edition here. Java Enterprise edition here. Okay. So first J2SE Java Standard edition. Next Java Enterprise edition. Enterprise edition here. Okay. Next third one here. Yes, JME Mobile edition. Java Mobile edition. So called as JTME. Yes. Java Mobile edition. Java Mobile edition. Java Mobile edition. Next fourth one here. JFX. Java FX. Okay. Java FX. Yes, this case don't have name J2FX because it's recently released. That's the reason don't have that name. Okay. So here Java Standard edition, Java Enterprise edition, Java Mobile edition, Java FX. Out of this, our syllabus is this. So exactly what is Java Standard edition? So what is SE? Java Standard edition. Yes, it's a Java technology. Just a Java technology means you learning Java technology. Java Standard edition is a Java technology. Okay, Java technology. Next, Java Enterprise edition is application development. Okay. Yes, application development. This application development edition. Application development. See here, application development skills depends on knowledge in your Java Standard edition. If you Google Java standardization, this is nothing. It's very simple. So these are all the frameworks. Yes, all the frameworks comes on this category here. All the frameworks, they are the frameworks. Frameworks like Spring Framework, Spring Framework, next Hibernate, Hibernate Framework, Spring Framework, Hibernate Framework, Struts Framework, Struts Framework, next Hadoop Framework, also Java. Yes, Hadoop Framework is a part of Java. Next Spring Framework, sorry, Hadoop Spark Framework, Spark. There is Java frameworks. Okay, Spring and Hibernate, Struts Framework, Hadoop Framework. See, Java standardization. After learning Java standardization, you can choose first three frameworks. Yes, these struts not necessarily outdated. Outdated. After finishing Java standardization, you can choose Spring and Hibernate. That is one combination. Or else you can go to Hadoop, Big Data Hadoop. Big Data Hadoop, that is another area. So this is application development area. Application development like e-commerce applications. This is for e-commerce applications. Next, Hadoop, this is for big data processing here. Hadoop and Spark is for big data processing. Struts not necessary. Struts outdated. No one using, it's outdated. No one using here. Yes, after finishing standardization means our course. After finishing our syllabus, you can choose this area or this area. Anyone is evergreen field. Hadoop, Spark, evergreen field. Yes, Spring and Hibernate also evergreen field. Java is evergreen field. You can choose this or that, anyone. Okay. But suppose if you're choosing Hadoop career, that case you need Linux knowledge also. Linux and SQL knowledge. Linux knowledge very, very important for Hadoop and Spark. Linux knowledge required. Okay. Yes, next. Yes, mobilization. So this is for mobile application development. So this is mobile application development. Mobile apps. But Java is poor. This area Java is poor. Java is not recommended. Java is poor this area. Okay. So for this, best is Android. Best suitable is Android. Android using this area. Android this area. Okay. Next, Java effects. Yes, this area the Java is poor. Like these for visual effects. This for visual effects like movies. Yes, movies. Yes, for movies purpose using this is movies visual effects. But this area also Java is poor. Java is for this area also. For this many tools available. Visual effects tools, many tools available market here. So Java fit in this area. Java this area. See here application development. Application development. See application development. So this is apps. In market many applications available. Yes, here application development, this area Java is very strong leader. Java is a leader. Yes, applications, e-commerce applications, online shopping, many applications like WhatsApp, Facebook. Yes, see 90% of applications were developed in Java. 90% of apps are developed in Java. 90% of applications developed in Java here. 90% of apps. Yes, in our daily life, we are using many applications, right? Daily life. Even this go-to training app, go-to meeting apps also developed in Java. Zoom meeting apps, online shopping apps like Flipkart, yes, Amazon online services, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter. Yes, next banking applications. Next trading applications. Next like stock exchange applications, stock exchange, like this many applications were developed in Java here. 90% of applications were developed in Java here. Okay, so lakhs of applications, lakhs of apps are there in Java. Okay, who will maintain these lakhs of applications? Yes, who will maintain this? Java resources. So Java resource, lakhs of applications are in Java here. Lakhs of applications. Yes, who will support that? Who will maintain that applications here? Java resources. That's the reason Java is evergreen field. Why is Java evergreen field? Why Demand, lot of demand for Java. Yes, always demand for Java, guys. It's evergreen field because lakhs of applications running in Java. Yes, so many resources required, lakhs of resources required to maintain applications. So there's a huge demand for Java. Java demand never reducing, never decreasing the demand here. It's evergreen field. Forever Java. Yes, no technology having that much of features. See, application development, e-commerce applications. Yes, all these kinds of applications, Java is a leader. Yes, no software is a competitor for Java. In that area, no software competitor for it. Even Python, nothing. Compared to Java, Python features are nothing here. Okay. Yes. So our topic is Java standardization. Let us move to our topic here. Yes, our syllabus Java standardization. So what the topics covering here? Yes, Java standardization. This is our syllabus. SE. SE is our syllabus. Java standardization. This is our syllabus. In syllabus, first starting with the software basics. Software basics. Starting with software basics. Software basics like some fundamental. Before going to Java, there are some software basics. Software basics like what is software, what is system software, what is application software. Next, what is OS, about OS. Next, what is front end, what is back end. Next, languages and packages. That are all basics here. Yes, low level language, high level languages, generation of languages, they are all the basics here. So what is interpreter, what is compiler? Yes, all these software basics here. Java depending on what, easily compiler or interpreter here. So for example, compiler, interpreter, both, how it is, that explanation here. Okay, so this is software basics here. First initially, software basics. Okay, yes, after that, next one, yes, core part of Java. Core part of Java. Yes, what is core part of Java? Core means what? Core, core C language, core C++, core Java, next core Python. What is exactly core? Yes, guys, any idea? Generally, core means what? Core means what? Yes, guys. Core part of Java. Core means core C language, core C++, core Python. What does mean? What is core? Any idea? Generally, anyone says that it's a fundamentals, right? Fundamentals are basics. Okay, right? I agree with you. Core means it's a compiler part. Core means just a compiler part. Just it's a compiler part. Compiler part. Compiler part is called core. Core C language, core Java, core C++, core Python is a compiler part. What is compiler part here? What is compiler part? For example, I'll tell you one example. Suppose C programming. Suppose int declared. Yes, compiler can identify this int keyword automatically because that's a part of compiler. Suppose printf. So for the printf error message, for the printf purpose, we have to include some libraries. Header file required. It's not a part of compiler. Yes, compiler can identify the keyword automatically int keywords. So you get data types. So compiler part means data types. Yes, Java also. Screen stacking. Yeah. 1 second. Yes, guys. Others, guys. Can you see my screen? Yes, one of our students saying that his screen is stuck. Hello. Can you see my screen? I'm scrolling my screen. Can you see my screen? Hello. Please, anyone, please respond. Can you see my screen clearly? Yes. No, I'm explaining about printf topic. Printf. Yeah. Yes, everyone. Yes, everyone. Yes, able to see my screen. Yes. fine with that. Yes, except this guy, except you. With that guy. No able to see. Yeah, okay. Maybe networking issue from your side. Okay. Yes. Core part of Java is a compiler. It's a compiler part. For example, here C language. Suppose int a. Compiler can identify this int keyword automatically, but printf cannot. That is not a core. Compiler part means like data types. Data types is a part of compiler. Data types part of compiler. Next, operators. Yes, operators also part of compiler. Operators are data types. Next, operators are part of compiler. Next, control statements. Control statements. Control statements part of compiler. These all are part of compiler. Okay. See data types, operators, control statements. Yes. Next, Java language syntax here. Java language syntax. Language syntax. These all are part of compiler. So first starting software basics in your syllabus. Next, core part of Java, data types, operators, control statements. This area around 75 programs will explain. 75 programs will discuss. 75 programs will discuss. Okay, 75 out of 75. Yes, 40 I will explain. 40 I will explain. Okay, 30 assignments. 30 assignments. Yes, everyday assignments will be there. You have to solve it. Everyday assignments will be there. You have to solve it. That is core part. Totally 300 examples. Total. This is core part only. Yes, 75. Totally 300 examples we'll discuss. After core part of Java, next. Oops. Object-oriented programming concept here. Oops features. Oops features. Implementing oops features. Yes, in OOPS features, OOP means object-oriented programming. OOP means object-oriented programming. See, before OOP, we have the C language. In C language, no security for data. No security for data. To achieve data security, OOPS was introduced. That OOP concept was introduced to achieve data security. Let's we'll discuss. Okay, in this first one, encapsulation. Yes, encapsulation. Yes, encapsulation. Encapsulation. Second one, data abstraction. Data abstraction. Data abstraction. Yes, next. These are all the OOPS features. Yes, method overloading. Yes, method overloading. Yes, data abstraction, method overloading. Next, constructors. 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 Next, inheritance. 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 Yes, next. Yes, polymorphism. Polymorphism. Next, access specifiers and modifiers. Access specifiers. And next, access modifiers. Access modifiers. Access specifiers and access modifiers. Next, apart from packages. So how to develop the packages. So all these OOPS concepts: encapsulation, data abstraction, method overloading, constructors, inheritance, polymorphism, and all this. So this is OOPS features. So Java OOPS features here. Yes, after OOPS features, next one is string. Yes, string class. How to string class? Yes, here to handle things, various kind of things are there. String. Yes, string buffer class. This is string buffer class. Next, string tokenizer class. String tokenizer. String tokenizer class. String tokenizer. Next, string builder. Various kind of things are there. String builder. Okay. See, all are to handle strings, but all the cases, all you can't use. Depends on the requirement. Depends on scenarios. Some cases using string class. Some cases string buffer. Some cases string tokenizer. Some cases think builder. Yes, in real-time projects, it depends on the scenarios. We can use different kind of things. Okay. Yes. Next, after finishing this one here, next one is object wrapper classes. Next one is object wrapper classes concept. Object wrapper classes. So what is object wrapper classes here? So object wrapper classes, this is to make everything is an object in Java. To make everything is an object in Java. Suppose if everything is object, more secure for data. Yes, why OOPS concept really? OOPS concept came to picture to achieve data security. Only main purpose of OOPS is to achieve data security. Data security. So main reason is to achieve data security here. Okay. Yes, to make everything is an object here, there are some wrapper classes concepts. In this, we can make everything is an object here. Okay. Yes, if everything is object, is more secure for data. More secure for data. Yes, after this, next exception handling. Yes, exception handling. Exception handling. Okay. 1 second. Before OOPS, we have C language. C is a first high level language. C is a first high level language. Later OOPS concept, next C++, next Java, like this, some history is there. 1945 to today, that history, Alex, 1 second. One will take separate class on this. 1945 started with MS-DOS. MS-DOS. 1945 to today. Complete history I can explain. 1945 to today, what is software is for released. See, yes, here my software career started in 1993, 93 to 1997. My engineering, yes, BTech, yes, computer science, yes, BTech computer science engineering, yes, JNTU Hyderabad, JNTU Hyderabad. Okay, so 93 started learning computers. 97 my job started. Immediately I got the job. So yes, that time getting computer engineering very great, rare case. 1993 to 97 computer engineering. Immediately I got a job. Computer science engineering, JNTU Hyderabad. See here, my MSET rank. Anyone can you guess it? Yes, my MSET rank. See, that time only 360 seats are there. CSE, computer science. 360 seats. Yes, United Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and AP, both 2 states. Yes, 9 colleges we have. Only 9 colleges. Only 9 colleges. 9 colleges, 360 seats. Next, one more thing. I mean general category, OC. General category. Yes, you can imagine. I have set rank now. 360 seats. General category, JNTU Hyderabad. Yes, you can imagine. Yes, 125 rank. My MSET rank 125. Because of that reason, immediately I got the job. Engineering, finally itself I got the job. Started immediately career here. 97 started my job. Yes, 93 started my software career. 93. So 93. Yes, 1993 first year. Yes, 1994 started learning C language. Started learning. Yes, we have the C language in our engineering. Learning C language. 1994 C language. C language is there. 1994 started learning C language. So before birth of Java, I'm there in software field. Yes, Java. Yes, 1995 released. Java released in the year 1995. 1995 Java released. Java released. So by the time of releasing Java, already I'm in software field. Started learning C language. Started learning C language. Okay, 1995 Java released. The Java history we'll discuss. I'll explain all the different versions and all this. Okay. Yes. So next, yes, exception handling. So next is exception handling. Yes, after exception handling. Exception handling. So exception means suddenly terminating application is exception. Exception means abnormal termination. Suddenly terminating. How do they handle that exceptions? Sudden termination. Yes, application should not terminate suddenly here. If terminating suddenly, what happens? Loss of data. Loss of that real data should not be terminated. That should be handled. Exception handling. Yes, after finishing exception handling, next collections. Collections. Yes, one of the important topic in Java. Collections, most important topic in Java. Yes, without collections, no interview. Yes, no interview, 100%. Yes, we'll ask for collections compulsory here. Without collections, no interviews. Collections have that much of importance. Collections to maintain some data. Collections these are like a data structures. Like a data structures. Collections like a data structures. Like a C language data structures. C language data structures. C++ data structures. Python data structures. Scala, like the Java data structures. Collections, Java data structures. Okay. Yes, even in our office also, without collections, we will not take it. Okay. Now, presently, interview is going on. Yes, we got some recently one projects. Yes, I received some mail from our vendors. Yes, our HR. Yes, 9 months projects. Yes, within 9 months we have to finish. Yes, around 50 resources we are taking. 50 resources. Out of this, 35 seniors and 15 freshers. I'll inform you. Yes, that freshers. Yes, now we are taking seniors. Okay, after 2 months we'll take freshers. Yes, maybe in the month of September, month end. Yes, October 1st onwards. Yes, there's a call off from all this yes, no work from home, I think. Yes, October 1st onwards. October 1st onwards, everyone has to come to office. October 1st onwards. It's rule. Every company implementing this is. Even Telangana government also given instruction to many software companies to start office work from office, not work from home. From October 1st onwards, everyone has to work. Yes, in our company also, October 1st onwards, we should go. So in the month of October, we are planning to take freshers. That time I'll inform you, definitely. I'll inform you, sure, 100%. Okay, that assistance is there, 100%. We are taking 15 freshers, not only for our batch, even taking other batch also. Yes, that also I'll inform you. Okay, yes, I'll inform you. Yes, in the month of October, we are planning to take freshers. That time I'll inform you. First onwards, yes, we should go to office compulsory. Now, presently, work from home. Work from home. So, October 1st onwards, they work from office. We should work from office here. Okay. Every company like TCS, Infosys, and our company, every company has rule. Government has decided to start. Okay. Yes. So, collection data sectors concept here. Data sectors like list components, next queue components. Yes, next, yes, set components. Yes, next, map component. Depends on data. We can use different kind of component. Depends on data, like structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. Depends on data. We should use different kind of data sets. Yeah, this is my favorite topic. Yes, reason here. In every project, almost we are using these collections here. Okay, I have in-depth knowledge in this area. Collections. I'll explain very clearly. Okay. Yes, after collections, next is IWSTEAMs. Yes, IWSTEAMs. Yes, IWSTEAMs. So next topic is IWSTEAMs. Yes, IWSTEAMs nothing but say file handling. It's a file handling. It's a file handling. File handling like a text files. How to process text files, processing text files. Yes, sometimes CSV files. You have to process comma separate values. CSV files, Excel files. Sometimes Excel files. Sometimes here XML files. Yes, I work with all these. They are very simple for me. XML files, JSON files, JSON files. Next, how to process PDF files, various kinds of files here. Next, image processing, all this here. Yes, in file handling, we'll discuss one real-time project here. Here, I will explain one real-time projects. Yes, real-time project on data processing. How data processing at the server side, not web application here. If it is web application, it's a frameworks. Web application comes on frameworks. Behind of web application, you have to process data at the server side. At the server side, behind of web application. Yes, at the server side, you have to process the data, that area. Server side programming. This is server side. You have to process data. How to process data? Submit data in the form of Excel files getting. How to process it? Data in the form of CSV files getting. How to process? JSON files data. How to process that? So in various forms getting data, millions of records we should handle in real-time projects. So how to process that millions of records, data processing area. In this area, we'll discuss one project. Okay. After finishing IOS teams, next networking. Yes, networking is one-to-one. Yes, next one-to-many. Yes, like TCP applications. TCP application development and UDP application development. UDP applications. In TCP, here we'll discuss one charting application. Charting app. Yes, funny application. This is charting app like a WhatsApp, kind of thing here. Chatting app. How to develop your own chatting app? Yes, using TCP. Okay. UDP means one to many. One broadcasting application. Here we'll discuss one broadcasting. Broadcasting means delivering data delivering to many computers in the network. Data delivering to many computers in your network. That's you. One to many UDP applications. Okay. Next, after that, multi-threading. Next is multi-threading. Multi-threading. Yes, here multi-threading means this is dividing your application into multiple parts and running parallelly. Application dividing into multiple parts running parallelly. Yes, how to develop such kind of applications to get the more performance. We need multi-threading applications that we'll discuss. Okay. Next, after that, JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. Next, AWT. Next, applets. See, these two were outdated long back. Outdated 15 years ago. Yeah, these are outdated. Yes, in 2004 itself outdated. Outdated is not necessary. Applets are not necessary. Here JDBC, this is actually advanced. It's not our syllabus. Advanced Java. Yes, our syllabus. Up to this 10th topic here, multi-threading here. After that, here JDK version-wise features. JDK 1.0 features. Next 1.1, 1.2 features. Next 1.3. At the end, yes, we'll discuss all the features. 1.3. Next 1.4. Sorry. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Yes, next 1.4. Next 1.5. Next 1.6 features. Next version-wise features 1.7. Next 1.8. From 1.8 calling as Java 8. Java 8 features. Next Java 9 features. Next Java 11 features. Java 13 features. Up to 13 we'll discuss. Java 13. So 1.0 to 13 up to 13. Java 13 will discuss all that features. Version-wise features. Up to 13 discuss. Okay. Up to 13 all that features. Every version. Yes, I have the live experience. Since the birth of Java, I'm working on Java. I have very good experience in Java. Yes, I'm traveling with Java more than 20 years. It has become like my life partner. I'm traveling Java since more than 20 years. So every version I worked. Okay, that history I'll explain. So when 1.0 released, 1.1, 1.2, yes, that features, version-wise features we'll discuss. So this is complete our syllabus. SE, your SE here. So first starting the software basics, next core part of Java, next all the OOPS features after finishing these topics here. These topics. So multi-threading and version-wise features, all that version-wise features. Version-wise features. So this is complete syllabus. Your course contents. Yes, any doubts in course contents, guys? Any doubts? Yes, any doubts? So this is our course contents. Next, one more thing here. One more thing. Your project at the end, data processing. At the end, yes, in file handling, we'll discuss on projects. On data processing, I'll explain on projects. Next, one more thing here. Communication purpose. Yes, to communicate with daily communication, everyday communication with a 24/7 support. For this purpose, WhatsApp group. Yes, WhatsApp group created. Yes, I'll be creating WhatsApp group for your batch also. For every batch, WhatsApp group is there. Yes, course hour. Yes, 6:30 p.m. going at 6:30 now. It's changed to 6 o'clock now. It's 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Recently formed that batch. Yes, 28 participants. Yes, around 30 members joined into that batch. Yes, every batch is having this much of strength. Now, currently 6 o'clock batch going on. Recently 12 o'clock batch completed. Yes, I got some time. So for that reason, taken 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock batch, that is 33 participants. At 12 o'clock, I think more than 35 joined. I think somebody left because the batch completed. So minimum 25 to 30 members forming batch. Get that batch. See, this is their assignments. They submitted their assignments. See this, the assignments. Yes, all students. Yes, I have given assignments in previous class. They have submitted assignments. See this, assignments. Daily assignments and their doubts. I'm responding. My doubt, yes, their doubts, my response. So this assignment last class. This is. Yeah, this batch just only 15 days before only started. This is. Yeah, this guy is asking to conduct some test, online test. Yes, I'm planning for that also. Yes. So that communication, communication there with student communication. Yes, yes. In that year, in this regard here, yes, yes. My interaction is like a friendly nature. Okay. Yes, Java 8, yes, Java 8, Java 8, Java 11, Java 13. These features also covering. That features also covering. Don't worry. Java 8, 9. Main focus on Java 8 and 9. Main focus. Industry using Java 8 and 9. Apart from the 11 and 13 also I'll cover. Don't worry. Okay. So that communication, just communication purpose, I'm using WhatsApp. Just let me show. Let me give my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. Yes, 8179189123. This is my number. Yes, please share your details, your name. Yes, next. What's a course you are attending here? Course. Yes, course Java. This is Java SE. SE. Next time 7:30 to 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Yes, next your Gmail ID required compulsory. I need Gmail ID to share all the softwares. Take this number, share your details. Even for voice calls also I'm using same number. For voice calls also I'm using same number. Okay, you can call me anytime. Yes, even this your batch also minimum I think 25 to 30 members will be forming 100%. Because many students are asking to start batches. Just 10 days ago that batch started 6 o'clock batch. Just within 10 days back gap again batch started. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. Please take it, share your details. Yes, I'll add to group. I'll create group for your batch separately here. Yes, it's a group communication. Any doubts are there, you can share in the group here, or else you can ask me personally. You can interact with me personally here. Personal interaction, the friendly. Yes, I'm a friendly trainer. Okay. Yes, it's not like sir and student, like a friend. Okay, generally software field knows sir concepts. Yes, even having guy who is having more than 15 years also, we'll call his name only here. No sir concepts. No sir in software, no sir and students, like a friends. Like a friends. Okay, any kind of doubts you can ask me. I can respond anytime here. 24/7 support is there. Okay. So these are Gmail. Please share your Gmail. Yes, today recording will be shared. Today recording will be shared to your Gmail ID. Okay, today recording, everyday recordings will be shared. Next class document and all these things will be shared. So this is, yes, please share this information. Okay, yes, still any doubts? Yes, I will explain very slowly and neatly. By the time of finishing course, you can put up minimum 3 to 4 years of experience. That level I can train you. Yes, completely my experience. I will deliver my experience. So complete my experience I will deliver. Okay. Still any doubts? Yes. Yeah, I'm deleting this number. Yes, I think everyone taken this is. Everyone noted. So I'm deleting this is. So this, please note it. I'm giving 1 more minute time. Please take it. Yes, 7:30 to 9 o'clock. Today just only first day introduction. Okay, so tomorrow we'll start actual classes. Okay, tomorrow actual classes, same link. Yes, same link till Saturday. 1 second. Yes, same link till Saturday. Till Saturday. Same link till Saturday. Same link. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 demo classes. You can next 3 classes demo. No problem. No issue. Next 3 classes. Next 3 classes demo. Demo you can see that classes. After you can decide it. Okay. Yes, that's the syllabus. Today, what's the syllabus we discussed? So this is syllabus what we discussed. This is syllabus Java SE, our syllabus, our software basics, core part of Java. Next, whoops features. Next, these are our syllabus. Course contents. After this is course contents. Here, these are our syllabus. Okay. Yes. So these are our syllabus. Yes, I can share this. No worry, not an issue. Yes, even 1 second. Let me unmute. Yes, you can speak now. Yes, yes, you can speak now. Mr. Venu.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Wait.
Hi, sir. My name is Chandrasekhar.
Yeah, Chandrasekhar, tell me.
Sir, actually, for me, very important is Java 8 and 9, sir.
Okay. Yeah,
Even I
100%.
know Spring Boot everything, but
Yeah.
I didn't learn the 8 and 9 features. That is very important
Okay.
for me.
Okay.
Okay. You will cover Lambda expressions, stream API, whatever the new features, everything.
Yeah. The 8 and 9 I'll cover definitely. At the end of the course, after finishing your complete course, at the end,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
8 and 9 classes.
Even I have brought your book in Amazon also, that G Nageshwar Rao,
Yeah,
that one,
sure,
black
sure,
book.
definitely. Yeah, thank you.
In
Thank
that
you.
it is not there, sir. That's what.
Yeah, he's not there. Yeah, sure. I know that he's not there. He's not covered, but here I'll be covering 8 and 9 also. Okay.
Okay. Really, thank you, sir.
Yeah, 100% sure I'll cover. Okay.
Yeah, I know, sir. I heard about you so much.
Yeah. Lot of
Thank you.
experience, real-time experience completely.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I know, sir. That is.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Next, any other doubts? Yes, any other doubts? Yes, same link for tomorrow also. Yes, same link till Saturday. So next 3 classes demo you can see, no problem, no issue. Okay. Yes, yeah, that's all for today. So tomorrow sharply at 7:30 starting class, 7:30 to 9 o'clock. Okay. So thank you guys. Yeah, that's all for today. So thank you guys. See you tomorrow at 7:30. Right? Thank you.